Welcome back to another video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So yeah, now I'm gonna be posting on a daily, meaning okay, not on a daily, let me say weekdays, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In today's video, I'm basically gonna be showing you guys how to make cinematic edits on your pictures. So I'm gonna be using the camera raw filter on Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, check the first link in the description below to get a free version. I'm only doing this for like 3 people because it's legal. So yeah, so hurry up. Also in that description you can get some presets if you're in a rush for editing, or you just want to work really quick and you don't want to go through the hassle of all the stuff that I was doing. A more detailed tutorial video will be made on how to use this camera raw filter, which is basically Lightroom. If you're watching this late, you'll probably see the link to it at the top right corner. If not, you're gonna have to wait. If you're wondering why there's like 2 white dots in front of it, is because yeah, he's swearing and stuff, so I had to cover that up. So I'm gonna basically do the same thing, that's just playing around with most of the settings, and as I said, a more in-depth tutorial will be made, but not today. If things are moving a bit too fast for you, you can just pause and look at the pictures nicely. But yeah, these are some of the available presets. There's some of them are free and the rest are paid for. I'll also be adding LUTs for Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, but not today. And that's it for today's video. See you tomorrow.